Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company Limited (IVM) is a Nigerian automobile manufacturer with its headquarters in Nnewi, Anambra, Nigeria. It was founded by Chief Innocent Chukwuma Nwala. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing is nicknamed the Pride of African Road. 70% of the parts used by Innoson vehicles are manufactured locally, while the rest are sourced from Germany, Japan and China. The process of making a car in the IVM factory can be roughly divided into designing, stamping, welding, painting, assembly, and inspections. Designing is a delicate process where any company, including IVM, needs to pay attention to the customer's demand while paying attention to aspects such as security, fuel emission problems, and lots more. The Auto brand has to remain true to its style and at the same time stay open to futuristic styling ideas and models. With computer programs, the designs can be turned into 3D models. Once the 3D model is ready, then the actual prototype is built. The prototype must meet aerodynamics, performance, and all legal requirements. Engineers will test for safety, hot and cold weather, fuel economy, electrical functionality, cost analysis, and more. Once the design satisfies the engineers and computer programs, the next process begins. The stamping process is the first step in the car manufacturing process. It refers to shaping a flat metal sheet by deforming it with a punching product. During stamping, metal parts that form the bodywork are created and stamped by robots. These parts form side frames, doors, hoods, and roofs, which are later added onto the main frame of the car. This phenomenon involves a great deal of precision and hard work. It is because the parts must be accurate as possible. Car production is all about attaching specific parts to their distinct locations. The car will travel along a moving assembly line as robots and people work on them. Experts will attach parts to the car and may work alongside robots for certain tasks. Robotic work cells weld, solder, screw, and glue parts onto the car. Once the parts of the body are attached to the car, it will undergo detailing. This includes cleaning, layering chemical formulas for protection against corrosion and scratches, and painting. Car painting helps to protect the metal and gives a luxurious look to the vehicle. It requires careful planning and attention to detail. The first step in painting a car is priming, which deals with spraying some primer onto the car's surface. The next step is to cover it with an opaque paint. Once priming is complete, a base coat is applied. It will protect the primer from chipping off during future painting steps. Base coats contain multiple layers. After applying all 3 layers of paint, it's time to choose the color scheme for the vehicle. Different choices range within metallic, semi-gloss, matte finish, and custom color categories. Finally, the engine, transmission, exhaust, and exhaust systems are installed into the car, and the tires are furnished so that the car can stand on its own. Also, the interior furnishings are done and the electrical fittings and systems are installed. Before the car is sent to the market, it will be tested for quality assurance and safety. The vehicle is checked for any imperfections or inconsistencies in the interior and exterior designs. The car will run through a series of tests. The engine is started and stopped several times, the steering alignment is adjusted, the headlights are checked for brightness and reach, brakes are tested for safety. Then the car will be tested in heavy water pressure to find leaks. In the IVM factory, the rain simulator is used. The car's programming will be tested and the electrical units will be checked to ensure safety and accessibility. Finally, crash testing will be executed to observe how the car handles impacts and to test airbag and seatbelt performance. If the car requires no further tweaks in design and production for safety, then the car can be presented to the market. Cars are a fascinating and cutting-edge technology. They're commonplace now, but cars are an engineering feat that has transformed the way we travel. Understanding the process of manufacturing a car, from design to launch, will enable one to have a new appreciation for automobile design and function. Innoson Vehicles is leading a new wave of automobile advancements such as never been seen in Africa. The vehicles are used in different countries in Africa. They have plans of establishing more production facilities in different locations. This in turn will increase their production capacity, thereby creating more jobs, improving the GDP of their whole society, solving transportation issues, and putting Africa on the global map.